Hi, I'm Christian Almiron, keyboard player from New York. You know, I started playing classical music, and then I discovered Oscar Peterson and how amazing he was. And I think like a lot of other keyboard players, you know, after discovering jazz, Herbie, Chick, I'm sure you've heard all these names before. They introduced me to a whole other style of playing, and especially the improvised aspect of music was something that I was very much drawn to. Like, I love soundscapes. I just sort of loved sound in general, and I think I like bringing sort of different, you know, approaches to improvise music using those particular, you know, ingredients, I guess you could call them. Excited to be part of the Nord family, and you know, the stage helps me kind of be as fast creatively as I think of an idea. I can just reach over and kind of grab like, oh, this would be cool if it was super distorted, and just reach over and turn up the knob and be like, oh, that's dope. Or like the reverbs, just kind of being like, oh, that would be cool too. Using effects like instruments themselves, in addition to like playing the instrument, brings another layer to you know, serving the music that you're playing at the time. So the sounds that I created for the Nord Stage 4 stem from film music, from hip hop, from classical, from noise, from synths, just all sort of electronic music or pop music even. Or, you know, I think, you know, it's funny, I created a patch thinking of one genre, and then a friend of mine played it, and it was completely became a different sound altogether. Like, I was thinking, oh, this is like a pop thing, but the way he played it, I'm like, oh, this is incredibly not a pop thing. My roots are jazz, classical, film, hip hop, pop, you know, production. I like to produce as well, so that I had those sort of influences come into the creating of these patches. The name of this sound is called The Getaway. This one's called Mike's Whip. I'll let you figure that one out. Yeah, it's just about having fun. You know what I mean? All right. This one's a little bit moody. It's called Cutscene. Let's try it. This one's called Cat and Cradle. Cause meow, meow. Okay, the name of this patch is called Felt That. So this is a couple of patches of mine. Hope you enjoy it. Mess around with them. Yeah, have fun.